Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to find best-selling products on AliExpress. So let's get started. So first of all, go to your browser and now go to aliexpress.com, and now in here choose the category you would like to check the best-selling products in. So for example, we'll choose leather coats over here, and now on the top right you'll see some filters that say sort by best match, orders and price. So as you can see, currently it is selected by best match, so it is currently showing me the best matches for me that I should buy. But if you want to check on orders, just click on order, and now here it will show you the products that have sold the most and are recently being sold. And once you go to price, it's gonna show you the products from low to high or high to low price. Another way with which you can check the best selling products on AliExpress is by going to a website. The URL of the website is sales.aliexpress.com/underscore pc/ranking/list.htm. So just type this in your browser and click on enter, and now you will be redirected on this page. And now in here go into any product you like, and here it will show you the top rankings in that category. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.